I actually just started training again myself. And I thought I would do a series on a couple of the products that I use and absolutely swear by. So this is by Old School and it's called Vintage Blast Pre-Workout. Now, I genuinely enjoy everything that comes out of this company, and no, this is not sponsored. I just love their products. This one is the blueberry lemonade, and they also have a Caribbean punch flavor, and each thing is 20 servings. But here's what I love about this. It's a 2-stage pre-workout. That basically means that you get that first like jump where you get a lot of energy, but then it also has this nice like even kind of, so you don't get tired. Some of the other ones, you know, you get that huge pump at the beginning and your skin is all tingly, and then 30 minutes in, you're out of gas. That does not happen. And my training workouts are about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And this is intense, heavy weightlifting, followed by a very small amount of cardio. And I still have plenty of energy to go when I'm done. I just could not more highly recommend this. I never even think about ordering anything anymore because I've ordered all of them in the 10 years that I've been training. And this is just the one that I love. Empty stomach friendly, which isn't really a thing, but I train fasted. I drink this on an empty stomach. Absolutely no problems. It is keto friendly, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, sugar-free. It is also vegetarian if that's important to you. And one of the things that's really important for me is this does not make my heart beat out of my chest. It also doesn't make my skin like super tingly. So if you enjoy that, you will not get that with this. What you will get is a ton of sustained energy. Time for me to reorder. Ta-da! Looks like powder, right? And I love this flavor. It's not overly sweet. It's not bitter. Like in the morning, if you've brushed your teeth and sometimes you drink a pre-workout before eating anything, that can just be a bad combination. I don't have that problem. Just to drink it like 30 minutes before your workout, 15 or 30 minutes. I don't. I mix it literally like as I'm pulling into the gym parking lot, drink it real quick, and I am off to the races. I absolutely love this stuff. It mixes in super easily. I just put it in like one of my little blender bottles and we're good to go. So I hope you found that helpful and happy shedding weight as quickly as possible because the summer is almost here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.